Bach 116 and 106, the Metallography, Materials Characterization, and Scanning Electron Microscopy laboratories are connected spaces dedicated to materials evaluation. The equipment here allows specimens to be cut, mounted, polished, and examined using optical and electron microscopy. Analytical equipment includes metallographic binocular microscopes and stereo microscope, which share a digital imaging system and a digital optical emission spectrometer. A variety of hardness testers, including Rockwell, superficial Rockwell, Brinell, and micro-hardness, are housed in this space. Some heat treatment is also conducted in this space, including Chamonix testing. The smaller of the two spaces houses the Hitachi SU3500 scanning electron microscope with Bruker X-ray spectrometer. This microscope is capable of 300,000 times magnification. We hope to see you on campus soon to tour our Metallography Lab in person. Click on these video tours of some of our other labs in the Mechanical Engineering Department.